Welcome back to Soulful Kitchen, and today we are cooking the absolute OG, jollof rice. Now this can be a bit of a tricky one to start. Honestly, it took me a few teary phone calls to my mum before I got it right, but once you do, it can very easily become second nature. So starting off with our pepper mix, we are going to add to a blender some plum tomatoes, some onions, some peppers, and also some scotch bonnet. You're going to blend this, but not until it's 100% smooth, because you want to keep a slightly thick texture. Now we're going to add some vegetable oil to a pot along with some tomato puree and some sliced up onions, and we're going to cook this down for a few minutes. Now we're going to add our pepper blend that we prepared earlier on, along with some seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme and bay leaves. And these four right here are the key seasonings that you need to make jollof rice, and all of them are very important. Let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium to high temperature, and separately we're going to wash our rice and prepare this for later. Now stock is an important component to jollof rice. Typically if you're making jollof rice alongside some chicken or some beef, for example, then the stock that you're going to use is the stock that you create from preparing these meats. However, in this case I'm showing you how you can still get a good taste using some stock cubes that you have in your house. If you're vegetarian, of course you can go for some vegetable stock cubes instead. Once your pepper mix is cooked for some time, you want to add in the rice that we washed earlier on. On top, we're going to add some of that stock until the rice is just about covered. Now this is a very important step, because if you get it wrong, you can end up with very mushy rice. So really you want to add less than you might need, because you can always add more later on. So the key to cooking jollof rice, and where it often goes wrong for many people, is the understanding that jollof rice is cooked by steaming. This leads to a lot of panic when it feels like the rice is too hard and it's not really coming together, and the natural response is to add more water or more stock as you would do regular rice. This is why we cover it with foil and you cook it low and slow until the texture comes to be just about right. Practice it, perfect it, do it again and again and again, and eventually you'll get comfortable with it. When I was learning how to cook jollof rice, honestly I would cook jollof rice every single week until I got that texture right. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.